Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off dial pad tone on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay guys, so usually if your cell phone is still new, the dial pad button sound very loud guys. And well, to turn off this sound it's very easy. Okay, now I will give you an example. I will go to calls menu in this phone. So yeah, every time I tap on the dial pad, it will be sounds very loud. And then now I will turn off this sound. Okay, first you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then you can scroll down a little bit, and then now you can go to sound and vibration. And then now in the system sound, you can turn off dialing pad. So yeah, now let's give it a try again. Go to calls menu and then I will tap to the button. So yeah, it's not sounding anymore guys. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn off dial pad on Samsung Galaxy A25, and thank you so much for watching.